In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix voice chat not working on Roblox. So we have few methods here. The first one is you just have to log into your Roblox account and then go to settings. Once you're here, you have to go to privacy and make sure that you toggle this microphone on or microphone enabled. Now, actually, you cannot enable this one if you have not yet verified your age. Okay, so you can go to your account to see if you're verified. If you don't know how to verify your age, you just have to go to this site and look at the requirements on how to verify your age. Okay, so that's it. Now, the next thing to do here is to simply go to the specific game that you want to play. Now go to settings. Okay. And then here you have to make sure that your volume is up. Okay. So that you can listen and hear your friends clearly. You can test if your microphone is working if you go back to your game. And when you speak, you can see that the green part of the microphone is moving up and down. Another method is you have to make sure that you have unmute your microphone. Okay, so to do that, you just have to tap your microphone icon to mute and unmute. Okay, next is go back to your settings again and then make sure that the input device or your microphone is compatible with your Roblox game. I mean, you are using your correct microphone. Okay, so when I tap this one, I have some options here. But while choosing the correct microphone, you can also speak in order for you to know which one you should use while playing Roblox. Okay, and then after that, you can now resume. Another thing is that you can also speak, okay, to make sure that your microphone is working. Just continue speaking, mute, and then unmute. And then last method is you have to check if your friends they didn't mute your microphone. Okay, so you have to check that. And in order to do that, you just have to go to your settings, specifically people, and then you have to make sure that no one tap your microphone or no one mute you. As easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.